The Philippines is making a bold move with a $15 billion mega airport, a project that stands as one of the most ambitious infrastructure undertakings in the country's history. This isn't just about building runways and terminals, it's about reimagining the nation's place on the world stage. With this new airport, the Philippines is aiming to transform itself into Asia's next premier aviation hub, connecting continents and cultures and serving as a vital link between East and West. This isn't just an infrastructure upgrade, it's a statement of ambition and a leap toward global relevance. The scale of the project is staggering, involving thousands of workers, cutting-edge technology, and a vision that stretches far beyond concrete and steel. As air travel surges across Asia-Pacific, the country is seizing the moment to ensure it's not left behind. The region's skies are busier than ever, and the Philippines is determined to claim its share of the future. For years, neighbors built world-class airports. Now, it's the Philippines' turn. The country is stepping up, ready to compete with the best and redefine what travelers can expect. The new airport is designed as both a gateway and a destination, blending modern efficiency with Filipino hospitality. Every detail, from architecture to service, aims to showcase the warmth and creativity of the Filipino spirit. It will accommodate everything from the largest jets, welcoming the world's biggest airlines and opening new routes that were once only dreams. And it's not just about luxury. This airport will serve the booming low-cost carrier market, making travel more accessible for millions of Filipinos and visitors alike. The message is clear: the Philippines is open for business and ready for the future. This airport is a symbol of confidence, inviting the world to discover what the country has to offer. For ordinary Filipinos, this project means jobs, smoother journeys, and national pride. It's an investment in people, opportunity, and the promise of a brighter tomorrow. The journey will be challenging, but the vision is to build a gateway worthy of the nation's aspirations, a place where dreams take flight and the world comes together in the heart of the Philippines. Manila's Ninoy Aquino International Airport, or NAIA, is bursting at the seams. Once envisioned as a gateway to the world, it now finds itself overwhelmed by the sheer volume of travelers passing through its doors every single day. The airport, which was originally designed decades ago for a much smaller population, is now struggling to keep up with the demands of a rapidly growing nation and an increasingly mobile population. Designed for fewer passengers, it now faces daily congestion, long queues, and frequent delays. Travelers often find themselves waiting for hours just to check in or clear security, and the terminals are packed to capacity during peak times. The experience can be stressful and exhausting, especially for families, business travelers, and tourists who expect a smoother journey. Despite its limitations, NAIA is among the world's top 20 most internationally connected airports and a major hub for low-cost carriers. It serves as a vital link between the Philippines and the rest of the globe, connecting millions of Filipinos to opportunities abroad and welcoming visitors from every continent. The airport's strategic location has made it a crucial player in the region's aviation network. But the infrastructure can't keep up with demand, capping growth and frustrating travelers and airlines alike. Airlines are forced to adjust schedules, and delays ripple through the system, affecting not just passengers but also cargo and logistics. The lack of space and outdated facilities make it difficult to introduce new routes or expand services, limiting the country's economic potential. The squeeze at NAIA is more than an inconvenience. It's a bottleneck for tourism, trade, and investment. The airport's limitations have a direct impact on the nation's ability to attract international business, host global events, and support the booming tourism industry. Every delay and disruption is a missed opportunity for growth and prosperity. The new mega airport is a critical necessity, not a luxury. It represents a bold step forward, aiming to resolve the chronic congestion and provide a world-class experience for travelers. With modern design and cutting-edge technology, the new facility promises to transform the way people move in and out of the Philippines. By shifting traffic to a state-of-the-art facility, the Philippines can finally unlock its aviation potential. This move will not only ease the burden on NAIA but also open up new possibilities for economic development, tourism, and international partnerships. The country stands on the brink of a new era in air travel. The story of the new airport begins with the urgent need to move beyond the past and build for the future. As construction progresses, hope rises that the Philippines will soon have an airport worthy of its ambitions, a true gateway to the world, ready to meet the challenges of tomorrow. The new mega airport is more than runways. It's a vision for a seamless, world-class travel experience. Multiple parallel runways will allow simultaneous takeoffs and landings, slashing delays. The terminal will feature modular design for easy expansion and smart technology for smooth passenger flow. Biometric check-ins, automated baggage, and smart security will make travel efficient and stress-free. Integrated expressways and a dedicated rail link will connect the airport to Metro Manila and beyond. A massive logistics complex will position the Philippines as a key player in global trade. The airport will anchor an aerotropolis, with hotels, retail, and business parks fueling economic growth. This holistic approach transforms the airport into a vibrant destination and economic engine. The new Philippine mega airport is stepping onto a global stage, entering a fierce arena where it must compete with Asia's most established and busiest hubs, such as Incheon International Airport in South Korea. These airports are not just transit points, they are symbols of national pride, economic powerhouses, and gateways to the world. Tokyo Haneda and Kuala Lumpur International Airport are also formidable rivals, each boasting cutting-edge facilities, seamless passenger experiences, and extensive global networks. The competition is intense, with each hub striving to attract more airlines, passengers, and cargo. To stand out in this crowded field, the Philippine airport will leverage its strength in the low-cost carrier market. By offering rapid aircraft turnarounds, efficient ground services, and cost-effective operations, it aims to become the go-to hub for budget travelers and airlines seeking value without sacrificing quality. Its strategic location is a major advantage, sitting at the crossroads of Northeast Asia, Australia, and the Americas. This unique position allows the airport to attract new long-haul routes, making it a natural bridge between continents and a vital link in the global aviation network. Unlike some of its more congested competitors, the new airport offers less crowded runways and more available slots, making it easier for international airlines to schedule flights and expand their presence in the region. But beyond infrastructure and logistics, the airport aims to set itself apart with the legendary warmth of Filipino hospitality. Every traveler will be greeted with genuine smiles and helpful service, creating a welcoming atmosphere from the moment they arrive. By focusing on warmth, culture, and personal attention, the airport hopes to build lasting loyalty among travelers and become the preferred transit point for journeys across Southeast Asia and beyond. In the battle for Asia's skies, where technology and efficiency are expected, the human touch could be the Philippines' greatest advantage, turning a simple layover into a memorable experience. The ultimate goal is not just to match Asia's giants, but to offer something uniquely Filipino, a blend of world-class service, heartfelt hospitality, and a vibrant cultural identity that travelers will remember long after their journey ends. The $15 billion mega airport is a game-changer for the Philippine economy. Construction will create tens of thousands of jobs and inject billions into local communities. Once operational, the airport will attract new airlines, boost tourism, and draw foreign investment. Enhanced connectivity will make the Philippines more attractive for business and travel. The ripple effect will fuel growth in hospitality, retail, and logistics, benefiting countless Filipinos. State-of-the-art cargo facilities will turn the country into a regional trade and e-commerce hub. Revenue from airport operations will support public services and national development. This project is more than an airport. It's a catalyst for a more prosperous, globally competitive Philippines. The Philippines is learning from global airports to put people first in its new mega hub. Managing crowds is crucial. Design must anticipate future demand, not just today's needs. Travelers want airports that reflect local culture, not just generic spaces. The new airport will showcase Filipino design, music, and cuisine, making the journey part of the experience. Fair pricing is essential. Travelers are tired of overpriced food and retail. The airport will offer a range of options, from affordable local brands to premium shops, ensuring value for money. Thoughtful design, efficient processes, and a welcoming atmosphere will set a new standard. By focusing on people, the Philippines can build a world-class, beloved airport. The goal, a facility that's not just efficient, but truly people-centric. The mega airport's promise comes with real social and environmental challenges. Land acquisition may displace communities, raising tough questions about fairness and support. Construction could threaten local ecosystems and biodiversity. demanding rigorous environmental safeguards. The Philippines' history of activism means developers must engage transparently and listen to concerns. The project's success will be judged not just by numbers, but by how it treats people and the environment. Developers and government must foster open dialogue and ensure vulnerable voices are heard. Balancing progress with compassion and sustainability is essential. Integrity in addressing these challenges will be as important as the airport's foundations. The mega airport stirs hope, anxiety, and pride across the Philippines. For pilots, it's a long-awaited solution to congestion and safety concerns. Small business owners worry about being left behind as the airport modernizes. Environmentalists fear for their communities and demand a seat at the table. Young Filipinos see the project as a symbol of national progress and opportunity. The airport's impact will be deeply personal, affecting livelihoods, landscapes, and dreams. The challenge is to ensure growth includes everyone, not just a privileged few. The project's legacy will depend on how it balances ambition with empathy. For many, the airport is a beacon of hope for a brighter, more connected future. The $15 billion mega airport marks a turning point for the Philippines. It's a chance to break free from logistical constraints and compete on the world stage. Success could transform the country into Asia's central aviation crossroads. The journey will be tough, with financial, social, and environmental hurdles ahead. The airport must be efficient, culturally authentic, and inclusive. True success means growth that benefits all Filipinos, not just a select few. The world is watching to see if the Philippines can build a mega hub for everyone. As construction begins, the nation is not just building an airport, it's charting a new course for its future.